The iPhone 15 series front panel and screen protectors have been redesigned, and the company's website has been updated to reflect this. They compare the iPhone 15 Pro to the iPhone 14 Pro, as well. The dynamic island of pill-shaped and circular cuts will be a feature of the whole range rather than just the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max going forward, as yesterday's leak and speculation suggested. The bezels of the Pro's devices are likewise thin, and while it's difficult to see from these images, the edges of the bezels are somewhat curved. Though it's simpler to perceive, there will be 5 significant changes between the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro. Compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, the sides of the iPhone 15 Pro are rounded. The iPhone 15 Pro will feature a titanium body rather than a steel frame, giving it a matte appearance as opposed to a glossy one. The iPhone 15 Pro's cameras won't stick out as much, maybe because the phone will be a touch thicker, and the new model will include a customizable button in place of a mute switch. A typical user is unlikely to even notice that the new phones feature a USB-C connector instead of a Lightning connection because of how minor the design changes are. Even if the dynamic island is coming to the basic models, the 120Hz refresh rate will probably still be reserved for the Pros, despite the fact that it is excellent that the lineup will have a consistent appearance. The 48MP camera will likely also be included in this year's iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models, although they won't be equipped with Apple's newest Bionic processor. The highest-end iPhone 15 Pro Max model is also reported to have a new periscope camera, which might make it the greatest camera phone of the year. The new A17 chip, which is based on 3mm architecture and is both powerful and more energy efficient, is among the other specifications. It has been speculated since yesterday that new stack battery technology, which would extend battery life by up to 18% in the iPhone 15, 14% in the iPhone 15 Plus, and 12% in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, is also on the way. We might also see upgrades to the RAM and basic model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.